Women on Wings offers consultancy services to Indian social enterprises with a mission to create 1 million jobs for women in rural India. Partnering with over 25 social enterprises in areas like food and agriculture, textiles and forestry, the job-creating business models for women in rural India, combined with the expertise on board, have benefited the business partners of Women on Wings to grow and expand their business further, creating more jobs. In villages like Chaigaon in Assam, an integral part of the daily lives of women alongside agriculture is sericulture, or the rearing of silkworms. These silkworms are reared in the houses and provide an income to the families. The cocoons made by silkworms in households like this form the basis for the yarns and fabric offered by Fabric Plus.
ঠিক আছে মই হেৰি কি কয় ফেব্ৰিক ক্লাছৰ লগত কাম কৰি ফেলে মোৰ আৰু যিবিলাক শিপিনী সকল আছে তেওঁলোককো আগুৱাই লৈ যাম আৰু মই আশীৰ্বাদ লৈ ফেলে সবৰ লগত মই মিলি ফেলে কামখিনি কৰাৰ কাৰণে আগ্ৰহতা হৈ গৈছে
One of the social enterprises Women on Wings works with in the textile segment since its foundation is Fabric Plus. Fabric Plus is a company committed to nourish rural craftsmanship. It offers a wide range of silk products from yarns to fabric. In doing so, Fabric Plus supports 39,000 families in the state of Assam.
মই কাম কৰি এই কাৰণে ভাল পাওঁ কাৰণ মই ইনকাম কৰি স্বাধীনভাৱে চলিব পাৰোঁ
The cocoons are brought to the Fabric Plus factory in Assam and serve as raw material to the entire process. Fabric Plus is instrumental to take this raw material to various new dimensions, from converting it to fine yarn and further to fine fabric, adding value to the raw material.
मैं गांव का फर्स्ट ग्रेजुएशन लड़की हूँ और मैं अभी MBA कर रही हूँ और 1 साल पहले मैंने फैब्रिक प्लस ज्वाइन किया था और मुझे लगता है कि मैं को तो आगे लेके जाऊँगी और फैब्रिक प्लस को भी आगे लेके जाऊँगी
Women on Wings has facilitated Fabric Plus in their growth by providing business consultancy in areas like operational excellence, productivity improvement and waste reduction in the factory, organization development, structuring management information and team development in management and board. Women on Wings also advised Fabric Plus with formulating the sales strategy, customer segmentation model, branding and positioning and internal communication. A job for a woman in rural India has both short and long-term impacts on her, her family and the community on various levels, be it economically, socially or psychologically. A job means an income, economic autonomy and an escape from the cycle of poverty. Research shows that women spend their income on their families. Children can go to school, which increases their chance of a better future. An income also helps the woman become more of an equal through active participation in economic decisions regarding the household. This also impacts her position and importance in her household, family, and community, further contributing to her sense of self. Women on Wings strives to create 1 million jobs for women in rural India by working with Indian social entrepreneurs who share the Women on Wings vision of sustainable growth in jobs and income for women. Women on Wings aims to improve the value chain of its business partners, so more products will be sold and more jobs are created. See womenonwings.com to know more.